Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I give insights on side hustle, freelancing, work from home and business opportunities. Thank you for all who has subscribed. And as I said, this year my mantra is let's get this money in 2023 by doing our side hustle, or if you want to work your 9 to 5 and you're doing a side hustle, doesn't matter. Once we are supplementing our income, that's the main reason why I'm doing this channel. Okay, in my last video I showed you a tool that is trending, GPT AI tool. And if you can see, Fiverr has a new service, AI service new. That means you can, and when you look at purchase, I will expertly edit and refine AI generated content. Here's another one with I will create and edit SEO optimized ChatGPT article and blog post. So you see they put in a new service, AI services, because they realize that this trending tool persons will be making article for their clients. So what they do, they put in this new service so persons can I will edit the AI and chat GPT content. So this is a very lucrative new brand gig where we can tap in. Let me open it's $10, starting at $10. Alright. I will expertly edit and refine AI generated content. Her basic package is $10. She will do generated content including websites, blog, app, product, book, stories, articles, etc. 2-day delivery, and she's doing up to 500 words. She's copy edit, proofreading. She will be no formatting instructed, no feedback, and improve AI detection. So this is a simple task we can do. Because in my last video I showed you how to use the chat GPT to do content, to do like Amazon listing. But now Fiverr adding this new service that we can do editing, because when you're doing the AI content, you want the customers will want it to be edited, proofread, as you can go straight to their website and process read it. Or if it's a book, so you want somebody who are human behind it to give the right formatting. Her standard package is what? $25 up to 1,000 words. Same 2-day delivery. And her premium package is $40 and she's doing up to 1,500 words. Well, I have a gig. I'm going to just show you a slight editing because I will proofread and edit your book, article, or other written work. But I'm going to edit it and do it for the AI content. I will just show you where I just like edit gig. You can edit the gig if you want. You can always change up the gig or change it to another category or whatever you like it. They give us a chance to edit it. So this one is I will proofread and edit. So I will write I will proofread and edit. Oh, it's still spinning. Internet is very slow. I will write chat ChatGPT content. So I'm just showing I'm changing it. I'm just editing to this new gig that Fiverr just listed. It's a trending AI tool that does article writing and everything. So persons will need it to be proofread and edited. I proofread and edit ChatGPT content. Just perfect. It's the same writing and translation and proofreading and editing because it's the same description. English and the the keywords will be the same thing. Copy, editor, proofread, grammar check, article, same thing. So I'm going to click save. So as I tell you, this Fiverr is a site where you can come on it and make some money. Save. Alright. So I'm going on the pricing now. As you see, I have proofread up to 2,000 words on mine. And let me see what was on hers. For the basic package, hers is $10. So I'm going to put $10 for 1,000 words for mine. I'm going to change it to $10 for 1,000 words. So let me change 1,000. So you can come on this and Fiverr and get, and just, as I tell you, you use Quillbot. So you've been using purchase restriction in my last video. You use Quillbot to rephrase the words for you. And this is what 3 hours. Where is this? 2-day delivery. 1,000 words. I'm gonna do 3-day. And this I'm gonna do 2,000 words. 2,000. I'm just changing it to the AI, the new category that they put on Fiverr. AI, new brand topic. I want on 2,000. I'm gonna change it to 3,000 words. 1,000, 2,000. So you have to go with the trend. I can go on because I have on my Microsoft Words I have Grammarly on it. So you use Grammarly. It's on my desktop where you can proofread all my documents. Once it's in Microsoft Words, so you download the Grammarly for Windows. You can have it on your have it right here also on the Chrome extension. So when you're doing anything, three 3,000 words. So when you see a new trending gig, you have to follow and do because you get orders from it because persons will want you to edit it for them and they pay you. So alright, this is $10. I'm gonna do this at $10, $15. $20. When you're just starting a gig, you give it a little bit more, like more the her prices. The more I give more for the 1,000 words for $10. Hers is 500 words for $10, but you have to do it to get momentum. When you get the momentum now, and you're getting a lot of customers, you can always decrease it. Same thing. I'm gonna use $2,000. 3,000 words. Same thing, same. $10, $15, $20. And I'm going to do the same thing. So I just save it. Description. I will just type right here. I will edit and proofread your ChatGPT content. Changing it. I'm just doing it, changing it to it's wonderful because it gives you Yeah, I'll take a look. I'm gonna delete these. I'll take a new look at it, and I will take a look on this one because take out this part. So you see, Grammarly giving me right away. Grammarly is right here, so it gives me telling me that the grammar it needs to be fixed or what. It gives me the suggestion. Also, I have it on my Windows. I will electronically. So because basically the same thing. I'm just gonna save this. I'm just showing you how you can do that new service AI content and the requirements. Same thing. I wouldn't trouble it because the same proofreading that I wouldn't need to be to trouble that. The galleries with the same thing also because it was proofreading and editing down here. So it's the same feature I would use. And when you're doing gig gallery, you have to go on Canva and you can get Canva, yeah, the free version. I have the pro version. So there's a free version. I can do this picture with it also. So as I'm saying, you can go and do apply for this service, and I hope you have all sign up for a Fiverr account and do a gig already. So you just come here and say, I will expertly, I will edit and proofread ChatGPT article or AI article for any matter. I have other companies that out there who do the same things. So this is a good gig we can get in now, and it's trending. So if you see that Fiverr recognize it is new to put the AI service there, that means it is very trending. So a lot of customers will be coming here and getting persons to proofread and edit the content from the chat GPT or other AI sources. So as I say, in my last video I showed you how to use chat GPT to do Amazon listing. You can do a lot of things on it. So, on it and set up a gig. It is trending. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.